Yeah. Follow the ladies right there, ya.
Thank
Oh,
you.
ini.
Hello, how are you?
Nanti kalau
We have a ginseng. Ginseng from the root, it is a familiar in Korea and China. In here, it is a local ginseng. In here, we use for the making coffee, we mix with the coffee. That's good for the stamina, energy, good for the power, and good for the memory as well. In Bali, we call coffee.
just coffee.
Yeah, just coffee. In here, we call like a Balinese honeymoon coffee. Like a papa drink, mama happy for the making the power. In Bali, we have a two type of coffee, Arabica and Robusta.
Yes.
Here, the big tree, this one, it is a Robusta coffee. Robusta have a big tree, big leaf, and small bean. Here for the coffee beans, this one, the coffee beans. You can see the green color not ready, the red color is ready. And then for the taste, the Robusta, it is a bitter. It is the strong coffee. This the Robusta, and the over there for the Arabica coffee. This way, mister.
Thank you.
Here the Arabica coffee. This one the Arabica coffee. The Arabica for the beans more bigger than Robusta, and then the leaf more smaller. And then for the taste, the Arabica, it is the light, smooth, little bit sour. Robusta strong coffee, it is a bitter, and then Arabica light and little bit sour. This is the Arabica tree. This is?
Kurkuma.
Yeah, curcuma from the root, it is a spices for cooking. Similar like a turmeric, the yellow color. In here, we use for the making tea, we mix with the saffron. It is a saffron, the flower. Yeah, that's good for the immune system, antiseptic, good for the antibiotic as well. This is? And this one the ginger, the long leaf, it is a ginger. Ginger from the root, it is a spices for cooking. In here, we use for the making tea, skin of the making tea. That's good for the stomach problem and good for your sore throat. But have a little bit spicy for the taste.
Ginger.
Ginger. And in the back, it is a cacao, chocolate. It is a chocolate.
Kakao.
Yeah, chocolate. It is a chocolate. The green color not ready. We waiting until they change color to yellow for the ready. Here the chocolate. Oh, this one the chocolate.
Oh.
Yeah. In here we use for making hot chocolate, chocolate bar, and then we mix with the coffee. It is
Udah
a Bali
kosong?
mocha, mochaccino. Yeah.
Masih.
It is a bee, honey. Honey bees. Yeah. For the look like a mosquito, small and the black one, the tiny one, this one. And this one, it is a, follow me. How old are you?
Lagi istri kan?
The special of the animal in Bali we call luwak. Luwak. In English it is a mongoose or savitin. And the nocturnal animal sleep in the day and active in the night. In here we use for the, in here they only eat banana, papaya, the sweet of the fruit. They don't eat the coffee here. They eat the coffee in the mountain. If they stay in the mountain, they eat the coffee, and then they only eat skin the fruit.
Yes.
For the bean, they just swallow in the stomach for the fermentation, and then they poop. We collect the poop for the making coffee.
Okay.
Luwak coffee from the poo the animal.
Just
It is expensive coffee, low caffeine and high protein. What your question?
Just eat the banana and the...
Yeah, in here just banana and papaya. But if they stay in the mountain, they eat the coffee beans. They only eat the fruit and the vegetable, like a vegetarian.
Yes.
Yeah, in here just for the showing. We release them 1 week one time. After here they get the vaccination. After 1 week they going to the mountain, and then new one in the mountain come here. And then after vaccination vitamin they going to the mountain again. Okay, and over there for the example poo from the animal and the process making coffee.
Okay.
This way, mister. This way. The plate is the poo from the animal. This one the poo, mister. Before clean, after clean. We clean. Yeah, this the poo. Before clean, after clean. We clean by hot water. We boiling until the 6th time until the very clean, and then we dry and then we do peel off. You can come here, mister. And then we do peel off.
Clean.
Yeah, this is after clean. And then we do peel off. They have a two skin. Here the first skin. The first skin we do take out. We don't use this one. And then this one, the second skin, we take out also. And then here, the coffee bean. And this one not ready yet. We wash again by hot water, normal water. We dry under sun, we do roasting. And that one is not ready yet. Here the luwak coffee from the animal. That one if you want to try in the table, you don't worry, don't thinking about the poo. The bean not contact with the poo, the bean already clean. And here we have a regular coffee from the tree. Arabica, Robusta, we mix together. It is a Bali coffee. This one the Bali coffee. And here some spices we grow here for the cooking and the making some tea. This is a galangal, ginger, this is turmeric, yellow color. This is cinnamon, cardamom, lemongrass, star anise, the cloves, black pepper, white pepper for the cooking. And then here for the process making coffee. Process making coffee, here we do traditional process, still by hand, still by wood fire. 1 kilo of coffee bean, we do roasting 1 hour until it change color, aroma come like this.
1 hour.
Yeah.
Seol. Dan aku lagi nge-vlog ini.
And then the second process,
Wis aku tak arena-arena sih
we put here.
ora di tujuan.
Excuse me. This way guys. And then the second process, and then we do pounding.
Okay.
We do pounding 1 kilo, 1 hour we do until find the powder.
This manual proses.
For making powder.
It become like this and we save like this and we powder, yeah? This is ready to use. Okay, now we go inside for testing. Follow me please.
Strong aroma.
You can try this.
Sana ba? So
Yes, sir, mister. It is after the pounding.
After
And then
the
the last process, we put here and then we do sifting. And here the final product ready to use, 1 spoon hot water and then you can drink. It is like a filter coffee. And then the big rice we put again, we do pounding again until come like this. And this is the final product. Okay, finish information. Thank you for your extension. Let's go, going to the table, have some tasting. I will serve you tea, coffee, and hot chocolate. Mister, you are ready? Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Okay, that's fine.
Go find the coffee here.
Yes.
You can have a seat
Ya,
here,
sudah.
yeah?
Ini di mana, Kak?
Here, yeah?
Di sini.
You can have a seat here after my friend clean the table.
What did you say?
Yeah, it's new experience for coffee.
Yeah, new
Actually,
experience,
you
yeah.
can, yeah, you can must try always coffee, tea, and then choco. Yeah, for waiting for the tester. Okay.
Oh, the test is coming. Look at that. That's a pond, yeah?
Yeah.
That's a pond. चेक करो ये गोल्ड फिश किड्डी किड्डी बड़ी गोल्ड फिश है साडी खैर यहाँ खेत चेक करो उधर भी एक पॉन्ड ओ बेटा
Okay.
Yes.
You wait there for tester.
Tester. We're waiting for the tester.
Yeah.
Set testing, yeah? It is a tea, coffee, and hot chocolate. Okay, I will put in the picture one by one, yeah? Ready?
Yes.
Okay, here is the Rosella tea, Campbell flower hibiscus, that's good for the blood circulation. Ginger tea for the stomach problem, little bit spicy, good for your sore throat. Red rice tea for high calcium, good for your bones, and you can eat also for the rice like a popcorn. Lemongrass tea for influenza, good for diet as well. Bali coffee, no sugar, for headache, migraine. Avocado coffee for anti-aging, good for your skin. Mangosteen tea for the control cholesterol, anti-cancer. Saffron, curcuma, and turmeric for immune system, antiseptic. And this one is a hot chocolate, hot cacao. Vanilla coffee for relaxation. Mochaccino coffee, this is a Bali coffee we mix with the chocolate, Bali mocha. Coconut coffee for hair and skin treatment. And the last, ginseng coffee, this one is a honeymoon coffee. Good for the stamina, energy, good for the power and the memory. Papa drink, mama happy. And then for the luwak coffee, we don't include the testing. For the luwak coffee, it is a payment 55,000 for the 1 cup. You want to try the luwak coffee?
No, I wouldn't try it for free.
Yeah, and here for the more information about the testing, yeah?
Yes.
You can enjoy saffron tea, coffee, and the last hot chocolate.
Alright.
Later for the name you see in the picture and the more benefit reading in the book, yeah?
Thank
Enjoy
you.
the testing.
Thank you very much.